These are my little freezer stuffers. 25 roosters. They're golden comet roosters. I'm going to fatten them up and I want to go in the freezer this fall. In here, the ones on the left, those are all supposed to be guaranteed female golden comets. The others is a mix of Rhode Island Red. They're the reddish ones. And then the black and some of the bigger white ones are Americana. These are my Silkies. Got a black Silkie rooster, 2 buff Silkie roosters. Then there's a rooster and hen partridge Silkie. I'm looking for black Silkie hens, buff Silkie hens, and I'm going to get a white pair, male and female. Here's one of the reasons why I'm not too concerned with having a water supply. So I literally live right on the Poker River. I don't know how clean it is. You can see debris and stuff in it, but I want to get it tested and see if it can be filtrated and treated to be drank in an emergency situation. That was just a giant carp. There behind the chicken coop on the hill, there's a white bucket sitting on top of my well. So I've got another water source. This fence down here behind the garage is the garden, where the garden's going to be. And up there, that little shed, that's where the rest of the potbelly pigs are at.